It's Dez Gerald with DI Real Estate and Staging, and I am back with another Walkthrough Wednesdays at 609 Seldon Drive, my upcoming staging project and also my coming soon listing. I am so excited to show you guys the inside of this house today because number one, I haven't been here in a few weeks, so a lot has taken place. I've heard that there's a new extension on the back side of this house. I don't know what kind of extension, but we're about to see. And also tons of work has been completed on the inside since the last video. And so I am so excited to get you guys in here to take a look to see where we are so far. But before I do that, I want to play a game. We're gonna play a game called Who Guessed It? And that game is going to entail you guessing what is going in the laundry room. My client is putting something so cute in the laundry room, and I want you guys to guess. It's not a washer, it's not a dryer, it's not a sink, it's something else. So if you can guess it, you're gonna enter to win a $50 gift card, okay? And all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and also follow me on Instagram and leave comments with your guess, and you will enter to win a $50 gift card. All right? And for those of you that's in my Fix and Flip on-site meetup, you're disqualified, so don't even try it. Don't even try it because you already know what's going in there. Okay, guys, we're about to look on the exterior of this house, and then we're going to go inside to get an update. All right? Stay tuned. All right, so here's the exterior front of the house. I'm just going to walk around the sides real quick because there is an update to the exterior on the other side of this house, which I haven't fully seen yet. So I'm excited to see what is finished back here. Oh yeah, there it is. So we've added a side deck. This is great. So now this house has some nice outdoor living space. Oh, this is just awesome. It's already such a cute house, and this adds a great feature onto this property. Awesome. Okay, guys, let's go inside because I definitely want to see the progress. Should I go through the side door or the front door? Let's go through the front door so you can see how it looks from the front entrance. Okay, guys, we're going in. And what do we have? We have some drywall. Okay, looking good. Oh, we also have trim. They've added the trim to the windows. Awesome. Very nice. Okay, and guys, this is the laundry room, okay? So there's something that is going to be going to the left side of this laundry room, and I'm not gonna get too close because I don't want to give it away. But this is the laundry area. That's where the washer, dryer, countertops. We may put some cabinets, I don't know, I'll see. Talk to my client about that. But everything that you're not seeing is what you have to guess. So don't forget, go to my YouTube channel, drop a comment with your guess, subscribe, go to my Facebook page, DI Real Estate and Staging, like it, leave a comment on this video as well, and you will enter to be into a drawing to win a $50 gift card, okay? This is bedroom 1. Okay, so all the drywall is done in here. Great, awesome. And this is the hallway bathroom, full bath. Hi.
Hi.
And he is tiling. It's coming out really nice. Doing a great job. Great job. And this is bedroom number 2. All right, and we're gonna go back out into the hallway. When you go back out to the hallway, then this is the living room area, of course, by the front door there. And right here is your little dining area with a banquette. So that's gonna look really, really nice over there. I cannot wait to stage this house. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, and this is gonna be the kitchen. Okay. All right, okay. And, we have a little dip in a little hallway, and then it turns into the master bedroom. Okay? So, you know, pretty decent size for a master bedroom. I mean, this house is gonna be about 1,200 square feet. And so pretty decent size. Still feels very spacious in here. That is the master closet. And sounds like someone's in here working in the master bathroom. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Look at how it's coming out. Look at that. This is gonna be such a nice shower with 2 waterfall shower heads. Totally awesome. That's exactly how we wanted it. It's looking great. You're doing a good job. See you later. Okay, guys. Well, there you have it. Another walkthrough Wednesdays with Dez. Stay tuned for the next update. I'm probably just gonna do one more update, which will be update number 3. If there's room to squeeze in a number 4, okay, I'll do it just before we stage. But anyway, stay tuned and look forward to seeing you guys again next Walkthrough Wednesdays with Dez. Bye.